Hello friends, my name is Narode Gitai. Welcome to my channel, Study of Life Science. Today we are going to discuss about Kelvin cycle. The Kelvin cycle are also called as the C3 cycle, or it's also called as the light independent reaction or dark reaction. The name suggests that the reaction they never need any kind of light, but actual fact is that they depends on light reaction. How? If you see here, it's a Kelvin cycle. Okay, in that reduction stage you will see here is use ATP and NADPH. This is called as the assimilatory power, and this assimilatory power produced at a time of light reaction. So this assimilatory power produced at a time of light reaction and used further in a Kelvin cycle. So without this assimilatory power, the Kelvin cycle never be run. Okay, so it need to be light reaction. So we can't say that the Kelvin cycle is independent of light. It somewhat depends on light. Okay, and they are also called as a dark reaction. But the actual fact is that the Kelvin cycle can also be run in a light reaction. Okay, so let's begin about Kelvin cycle. So in that Kelvin cycle, they are divided into three main stages. Okay, the first, which is a carbon fixation, second one, which is a reduction, and third one, which is a reforming of RUBP, ribulose bisphosphate. Okay, so we will see these stages step by step. So first we will discuss carbon fixation. The name suggests that the fixation of carbon dioxide, it means the fixation of carbon. For that this stage, Rubisco is one of the enzymes play a very important role inside them because it helps to the fixation of atmospheric CO2. Okay, so here you will see ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate are called as the RUBP, which are a 5 carbon compound. Okay, so this 5 carbon compound react with carbon dioxide, which forms a 6 molecules of 3-phosphoglycerate, which are 3 carbon compound, or also called as a PGA, phosphoglyceric acid. Okay, so you will see here this ribulose 1,5-biphosphate are 5 carbon compound. Okay, and carbon dioxide are 1 carbon. 5 plus 1 we get 6 molecules of 3-phosphoglycerate, but which are 3 carbon compound. It means the 6 molecules which are splitting, which forms the 2 molecules of 3-phosphoglycerate or phosphoglyceric acid. Okay, so it's all about the carbon fixation. The next step is the reduction. Okay, so the reduction is nothing but the gain of electrons from where PGA, phosphoglyceric acid, which forms a 1,3-bis phosphoglycerate, which are 3 carbon compound. Okay, for that conversion they requires the ATP, which are 6 ATP molecules. They are required to form 6 ADP, which forms a 1,3-bis phosphoglycerate, which are 3 carbon compound. Okay, then these reactions catalyzed by the PGA kinase, phosphoglyceric acid kinase. Okay, next this 1,3-bis phosphoglycerate converted into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. For conversion, they needed 6 NADPH, which forms 6 NADP plus plus H plus. Okay, due to the reduction. And this ADP and NADP plus, which recycle at a time of light reaction. Then again they form the assimilatory power with those ATP and NADPH. Okay. Then next stage is, we will see here the 6 molecules of glyceraldehyde. Okay. But if you see in that Kelvin cycle, at a time of one stage or one cycle, only one molecules of RUBP which fix the one carbon dioxide. Okay. So we need the sufficient amount of molecules, which are 6 molecules are needed. So it need to be the run of cycle in 3 times. Okay. If the cycles run in 3 times, we get 6 molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate G3P, which are 3 carbon compound. Okay. Once we get 3 molecules, among them one molecules exit from chloroplast to cytoplasm, and in that which create those one molecules forms glucose or any other sugar, it may be sucrose. Okay, and remaining 5 molecules, let's see here, remaining 5 molecules of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate which converts into next stage which called as the reforming of RUBP. Okay, reforming of RBP is very important because RBPs play a vital role for fixation of carbon dioxide. Okay, so it's need to be created and to fix the carbon dioxide to sustain their Kelvin cyclic manner. Okay, so the last stage is reforming of RBP. So for that, the formation of RBP from glyceraldehyde, they needs a 3-ATP which converts the 3-ADP. Okay, and ribulose 1,5-bis phosphate RUBP, which are 5 carbon compound, are formed, and this compound again helps to fixation of carbon dioxide by using the Rubisco enzyme. So such manner these reactions proceed in a cycle. That's why they call as a Kelvin cycle. Or the Kelvin is a name of scientists. They discovered those cycle. That's why they gives a name of Kelvin cycle. Okay, and these Kelvin cycles, we will see all the higher plants. We can say that all angiosperms, we will see such type of cycles. Okay. So it's all about the Kelvin cycle. I hope you understand these videos. If you like the videos, please like button, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.